It's time to master Java, Spring, and microservices and become an enterprise developer. And that's where we are coming up with a course which is called Enterprise Java Spring Microservices Live Course. I know that's a big name, but yeah, we have big topics, so big name makes sense. Now, this is a live course which will go for 6 months, and it's a weekday batch starting from Monday to Friday, and this will be happening at 7 a.m. IST to 8:30 IST. And of course, in the live session, if you have any questions, you can get them clarified after 8:30 a.m. Again, just to reiterate, this is the time which I mentioned is IST. Now, depending upon your time zone, you can just convert that. Now, in this course, we are going to start from the basics. As I mentioned before, we are going to talk about Java Spring Microservices live. But apart from this, if you want to be a developer, you need to know other tools as well. And that's where we got recorded courses as well. Now, I will talk about those recorded courses and live content. So let's head back to the screen. So if you can see, this is the course which I was talking about. Now, this is going to start from 9th of August, 2024. And if you have any queries about the course, you can just call or WhatsApp on this number. That's the office number. Okay, then who is the author for the course? I'll be there, and Heather Abbas, who is one of the amazing trainer. Let's talk about the course content. Now, this is the time, this is the date, as I mentioned before. And this will be a live course for 6 months. Now, apart from the live course, of course, you will attend the live course and it's fun to attend live. But in case if you miss, you will be also getting the option to watch the recording. And you will be having the access for it for 2 years. Now, recorded courses, apart from the live course, you will also get DSA, JUnit, SQL, Git, Docker, Jenkins, and Cloud, which will make you a perfect developer to build enterprise-level software. A certificate will be given, of course, if you attend the classes and complete the assignments. Next, let's talk about the topic. So we are going to start from basic. Okay, so even if you are new to programming, this will make sense because we're going to start from the basics of programming. You will also get recording for if you're from non-tech field or non-programming field, what are things you need to become a programmer? So those are the things are there also. Then we'll start with Java. We'll move towards object-oriented programming, arrays, string, interfaces, and list goes on. We are going to end the core Java part at file handling. Then we'll focus on Spring Core, Spring Data JPS, Spring Web MVC, then REST, and Spring Security, and then we'll focus on microservices. So this will be an amazing course. I hope you will enjoy, and make sure that you enroll fast because the price will be going up every week. So see you in the course, everyone. Bye-bye.